Take a picture.
We've all been there. You're on the road, you've switched onto low battery mode, turned your phone brightness all the way down, and prayed to the smartphone gods that your dwindling power supply survives until you are within reach of a plug socket. And it doesn't. Why is this scenario a common one for you? Because you don't have a portable car charger to get you through one car ride. Power your adventure with ChargerGo, the power delivery car charger by VOG Duo. This car charger is slim, sleek, and stylish. It is so small, smaller than your average pen, more compact than other similar chargers in the market, and less than half an inch thin. But with its innovative USB-C power delivery 3.0, it packs enough power to fast charge your Nintendo Switch, Apple MacBook, and all the latest and even older compatible models of iPhones, tablets, and accessories up to 2 times faster. That's incredible speed and power in one tiny package. Truly a power delivery car charger. The dual port supports 45 watts USB-C and 12 watts USB-A, so you can quickly charge your devices simultaneously while on the go. Simply insert in your car cigarette plug and juice up. Watch, charge, play all the way. The ChargerGo is durable and portable, so you can easily take it with you when you travel. It even has the ability to monitor your car battery. The integrated LED notifies you when your car battery needs replacement, a practical gift that your friends and family will surely appreciate.
So my father and I were traveling a lot for business, and we always see parents carrying this huge car seat in the airport. It looks so difficult, and I said to my father, there must be a better way. We had this idea for a travel car seat, the wavy Pico.
Traveling with a kid is not easy, but sometimes the kid is not the hardest part. It's actually carrying all the stuff that goes with the kid. Bringing a car seat on the plane is miserable, and half the time the kid doesn't even sit in it. If you check it, you never know if it's going to arrive, or what shape it's in. I mean, I know a lot of parents who have skipped the seat at some point. It's a terrible feeling, and you just hope for the best.
We knew that Pico would pass all of the safety regulations, but we also wanted it to be truly innovative and beautifully designed. I'm a dad, and I hate having to use ugly baby products. My family has been making high-end outdoor gears for years, and we wanted to bring the expertise to the baby industry. We use mostly aluminum, which is super light, super strong, and super durable. We have a lot of experience making backpacks, tents, rock climbing harnesses. What sets our factory apart is our focus on quality. We inspect every component and every product. We test every material for the strength and safety.
Safety really is the most important thing, so we test every round of Pico prototypes to US safety standards for both motor vehicles and aircraft. We don't just use them to pass, but we want to use each test to make the next version even better than the first.
I cannot wait to use the Pico with my son, and I'm really excited that parents won't have to make the choice of lugging a giant car seat or skipping it. Traveling with a kid is different for sure, but it's worth it. So please support us and the Pico travel car seat to make family travel safer and way better. Thank you! Thank you!